Would you like to win free NFTs? Let's win NFTs together. Drip Haus is a platform on Solana where you can earn free NFTs and potentially receive a significant airdrop reward in the future. Collecting art pieces for free on this platform could prove very beneficial down the line. You can access Drip Haus through the applications section of your Phantom wallet. You can also use the invite code provided in the description of this video. Drip Haus hosts thousands of artists, and new works are created every day. Due to the low network fees, artists use Drip Haus to sell their content, and pieces are sold quickly in auctions. This platform allows for the sale of various types of works, including music, comics, photographs, and illustrations. The best thing about Drip Haus is that it's free and fun. There's a possibility of making significant gains on this platform. Users are showing great interest in Drip Haus and are loyal to the platform. Platforms with strong and loyal users grow rapidly and build a robust ecosystem. Ever since I discovered Drip, I visit it every day to collect droplets and participate in auctions. There's a daily crate you can open once a day on Drip. Opening this crate is free. All you have to do is click on the crate to move your game character. Rare or legendary items can come out of the crate, while sometimes it might be empty. Apart from the crate, there's a section where you can earn droplets every 6 hours. I have about 50 droplets because I used all the droplets to bid on auctions. To earn droplets for free, you should click on this section. You need these drops to subscribe to works and to show appreciation. Subscribing to recommended channels allows you to view auctions through these channels. Subscribing costs 1 droplet. You can see my collection below. I acquired these works by participating in auctions, subscribing, showing appreciation, and spending the droplets I earned for free. Common pieces have lower values, while rare and legendary ones are valuable. You can also see my statistics here. In the My Leaderboard section, you can see how much time is left until the next sales of the accounts you have subscribed to. I click on one of the accounts and want to see the description section. This auction will start soon. The top 15 thankers will win a guaranteed legendary piece. 5 out of the top 2,000 thankers will be randomly selected and will receive a legendary piece. The top 2,000 thankers will win a guaranteed rare reward, and all subscribers will have a base reward. Here you can see how many droplets people have spent on this auction. It's important to get into the top 15. If we can't, then we'll strive to get into the top 2,000. Here, there's a calculator. By using this, you can determine how many droplets you need to spend to get into the rank you want. If this seems too much for you, try to catch the reward criteria in the lower tier. If that's still too much, collect droplets regularly and participate in other auctions. If you want, you can purchase droplets with your USDC tokens in the purchase section. Droplets are sold at discounted prices here. I've been in the top position of auctions several times. If you want to be in the first position, the timing of your bid is important because someone with more droplets than you could take your place. By bidding in the last seconds of the auction, I managed to secure the first position in 3 auctions. Most of the rewards I won have already arrived in my wallet. The rest will come over time. I use Drip Haus every day, and I hope Drip Haus will distribute fantastic rewards in the future. I hope you win great works on Drip Haus. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.